I want to share with you an interesting moment. I just received a surprise package and I decided why not, let's share it with you in unboxing. So I don't know what's here, I'm not gonna show you the name and everything because yeah, that's not fair. But I'm gonna try an unboxing and see what's here. Again, don't forget, subscribe and share it with your friends. Let's try and take care because I really don't know what's here and I hope I'm not gonna break it. Oh, my knife, my little knife. Okay. Here just a little bit. And I think here, yes. I think here. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? By the way, it's not so heavy, but still it is. Can you believe it? How is that possible, Foxy? So I think we have some papers. Oh my god, I cannot believe that. Some of you perhaps you know I'm a gamer girl and I like to stream, and if you don't know, well, now you know. And because of that I just received something that perhaps it can help me a lot. I don't know, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna tell you later about that. So before I'm gonna show you, again, don't forget to subscribe, please share it with your friend, and let me know if you wanna see more of this or what do you wanna see on my channel. Now it's time to show you the package, surprise package. And this is, yeah, I know it's not something so big or I don't know what you are expecting for, but I'm really excited because as I said, I'm a streamer and perhaps it's gonna help me a lot on what I want to do forward. And yeah, let's get it. So these things, can you believe it? This is a game capture card and it's 4K 1080p Full HD, of course. You can connect it with USB 3.0, 60 frames of dedicated picture, CPU hardware acceleration, strong compatibility, drive-free access. Okay, can I open it? Opening again. Wow, this looks really nice. My god, it's so cold. It's so cold outside. This is the actual video capture USB. I'm pretty excited about that, I have to be honest with you. And I have here, yo, I cannot believe I have some cables, guys. I have cables. I cannot believe that. I know usually you have to receive cables, but sometimes perhaps you don't. So I have a USB cable. I think this supports 3.0. I don't know so much about that. And is there written something? No. Okay. And this is HDMI. Yeah. And one, this is micro USB and normal USB 2.0, I think so. Okay, and a manual instruction. Ooh, nice. I cannot wait. Oh my god, to try it. I cannot wait, actually. This is gonna be interesting. I cannot wait. So for that, thank you very much for this package. I'm not gonna say who sent it because perhaps that person doesn't want that, but I think that's amazing and I hope it's gonna help me a lot. That was it. This is me, Crazy Fox Girl. I cannot wait to test it, and of course I'm gonna review and tell you guys if this is really helpful, because perhaps you don't have a strong PC or a good internet, or I don't know. We're gonna see about that, and this might help you. I hope it's gonna help me. This is me again. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and see you. Bye bye.